It's Mrs. Pineapple. I'm just kidding. It's me, Holly. Isn't this adorable? My husband found this at Joann's for me and colored it. Isn't it cute? I'm a pineapple. Do, do, do. Okay, I'm sorry, guys. Nobody cares about that. All right, let me put that in the drawer. Okay. We're here because if you read the title of the video, you will know it is a mystery box unboxing. So, Lion Brand ran a special a couple weeks back. It actually took a little bit for shipping. And they were giving away their mystery box. Sorry, I just saw something out my window. I get distracted easily, people. Okay. Anyways, mystery box. It was like a $60 mystery box for only $10. So, of course, I hopped on board and bought one. So, it finally came in the mail. Let me grab it. Do-do-do-do. My Lion Brand mystery box. You could choose what weight of yarn you wanted. I chose the number 3 because I like working with like fingering weights and stuff like that. But you could get the number 3, which is your fingering and stuff like that. You the 4s, which is your worsted. You could go up. Well, I'm sorry, no, I chose the 3, which is a DK. I don't know why I said fingering. Fingering's more like a 2 or a 1. So I chose the DK because I wanted some lighter yarn. So I don't know what's going to be in here. Now I do know a lot of people have did their unboxings, and some are very happy with what they got. Some are very disappointed. Apparently, a lot of people are getting the kepi yarn, which is kind of like this weird little funky yarn with pom-poms on it. I don't know. I have no idea what's in my box. So, I mean, because you guys see, all sealed. Haha. Blacked out my address. Y'all can't see that. No, I was kidding. So, I don't know. We're going to see together. We're going to see what I got. If I love it, yay! If I don't like it, more for giveaways. No, I'm just kidding. I will find it a happy home. I'm going to open the box with my safety cutter that one of my wonderful pineapple people sent me so I could stop murdering myself with my giant pair of scissors. Again, I've never seen what's in this, guys. Well, I did not get any kepi, which again, you're going to have to look that up because if I didn't get any, I can't show you. So what it is was 3 different kinds of yarn, all the same weight, but 3 of each skein. So first off, I'm going to pull this one out. And we're going to figure out what this is. Let's open a pack, I guess, guys. Rip it open. So this is Lion Brand Ice Cream. And I'm guessing the color is, okay, Ice Cream Sprinkles. And the color is Vanilla Bean. I really do like this. This is really cute. And I got 3 of them. That's more than enough to make like a little baby blanket, which I need to actually make. So guess I might be making a baby blanket. It is a number 3. It's acrylic, 100% acrylic. And I get 394 yards. So that's actually quite a bit because I got 3 of them. You guys like that? It's like white with, it's called coffee bean, but it's really more of a black and gray speckle in there than a brown. So I really like it. I'm really happy with this one. This one I love. The next one I see is this one, which, let's just rip it open, guys. Set that to the side. This is the Lion Brand Color Waves in the color newsprint. It's a number 3. It is 80% acrylic, 20% wool. Oh, that's always nice. A little wool in there. And I got 306 yards, so that's still quite a bit. And it's again just a black and white kind of variegated stripe. I really think this would look really cute. Maybe knit into a hat. Maybe for one of my boys. You know, I got a couple of boys and black and white goes over well with them. So happy with that. And here's my last color. I'm not sure about this one, but I might be. I might be able to work with this. This is it's like a mustardy yellow. I'm kind of intrigued. Let's see what this is. Because again, it's in a little weird ball. Ooh. Let me set the box on the floor now that we don't need it. There's just my shipping receipt in there. It's really soft. This is Lion Brand Collection Angora Merino. 80% merino wool, 20% Angora. Ooh. It's so soft, you guys. Oh my goodness. Okay. Wasn't sure for like a brief moment about this mustardy yellow, but I am loving it now. Let's see. Number 3, of course, I get 131 yards, so quite a bit with the 3 together. I'm kind of thinking maybe I'll make me a hat because it's so soft. And plus, Won't this yellow go great with my pink hair, guys? What do you think? Too much? Does it clash? Does it matter? I'm going to wear it anyways. So this is what I ended up with. I'll put these 3 out in the front so you can see just like 3. And I am quite happy. I paid $10 for this. This is I'm really I don't know if that picked up. My kid just got ice out of the ice maker. And it was like, da 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 da. I'm not going to apologize though, because that's my life. So this is what I got for the $10. I'm really happy. I probably would have been happy if I got the Kepi yarn too, because my kids love funky yarns. So I'm sure it would have been fine. I really like it. I kind of wish I would have ordered a couple more boxes now. If you guys ordered a box, I would love to see what you guys got. You can like share over on the Facebook group or send me pictures in an email. Either way, I would love to see what you guys got. But this is what I got. I am pretty excited about it. Kind of really loving this one now that I'm like got to squish it, because it's Angora and wool, and that's so soft, you guys. Have no idea. So look for what I make with these guys coming up. So I'm gonna get out of here, guys. I'll see you next time.